Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kickz. Today I'm going to take you through highlights of some of the stores I got to visit while in New York, as well as the first fashion show I got to experience at New York Fashion Week. So tune in at the end to check that out, as well as getting to see some of the pieces that I copped and brought back home with me. So let's check it out. Now is the time to check out the debut collection from Utopia, and what else can I say besides, let's go! So now that's the trip wrapped up. Here are some of the pieces I came back with. Firstly, big shout out to my ASAP Foundation family. So here we have the ASAP Foundation sweat, the forever iconic Yams Gems book, as well as the Kings County Blue Collar King sweatpants. RIP to Michael K. Williams, of course. Next, shout out the guys over at BBC. We have the oversized sweat with the astronaut head logo with the insane detailing. And this tee had to come with me for nostalgia reasons alone, with the famous line, "See these ice cubes? See these ice creams?" Being that I'm follically challenged, this next one caused a few funny looks my way, with the stuff cut my hair knit, with the stylable hair on the front, with the cut my hair text on the back, which is also reversible. Everything these guys do at Stuff is pure brilliance. Now this, I had to cop when I seen it, as it just matched the fit I was wearing perfectly. The extra butter trucker with a puff print graphic. Hurry up, we're gonna miss the trailers. Last but not least, we have the Lambs varsity jacket with the logo embroidery on the front and back, with the detailing of the boroughs embossed into the actual jacket. This is a piece. So, that has been the wrap up of my New York trip. A big shout out to everyone whose energy I got to experience while there. Shout out Cho, Daryl, Z, all the guys at Lambs, and of course my Stuff family. This has been another episode of Al's Fits and Kickz. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Peace!